the final result. Firstly, hide all the icons on the desktop, then go to Taskbar and right-click, click on Taskbar Settings. From here turn on Automatically Hide Taskbar in Desktop Mode. Now, we will download live wallpaper, so, head towards Microsoft Store. Search for live wallpaper. Then download and install this file by clicking here. Now go to the link given below and download Hacker Theme for Windows 10. After downloading, navigate to your Downloads folder and extract the file. Then close it. Now launch the Lively wallpaper. From here go to Setting, then click here and choose Light from here. Now go to System from the upper bar, then choose the taskbar theme as Clear and go back. Now, click here to add the hacker theme. Navigate this to the Downloads folder and then go to the Skins file. Here choose both files. There are two themes. One with large and small number of matrix, and the other one with small but more numbers of matrix. I personally like this one, so I will choose this. You can do it by your own choice. Now we will download the Rainmeter, so head towards the link in description and download it from here. After downloading, navigate to your Downloads folder, then install the application as shown. Now navigate to your desktop and unload all the skins. Now go to the Downloaded Skins folder, then install the Hacker Theme skin. Change this setting by going to the Rainmeter. So it's finally done. Enjoy your hacking desktop. If this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe the channel, and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment box.